This is probably the cheapest van car conversion that you'll ever find. Let's have a look. Oh shit. That is not the cleanest of jobs. If you've come to this video to see a really extravagant bed build and car camper and really intricate and well-made system, then you've come to the wrong video. This is an improvised solution to car camping, but it does work really, really well. Oh, my dad's here somewhere. You know what we're looking for?
Well, I do.
That looks like the one. So, step one of turning this car into a camper, we have to remove this middle row of seats. It's going to give us so much more space to get the bed base in. Got a little lever on the side here, goes down like that. You've got a lever up there, bring the seat forward, and the seat comes forward like that. That lever there, once you lift that up, bit of a skew if camera angle, but oh well. Once you lift that up and bring the chair back, the chair is now out of the car. Uh-oh. Sorry about that. One of the other things I want to try and get done today as well is these legs that prop up the front of the bed. I want to try and bring them back ever so slightly here. The problem that I've been having is that when I've been trying to get my folded up double mattress in, which is extremely comfy, may I add, it's been near on impossible because you can see the gap between that leg and the front seat is quite narrow. So if I can just bring it back, maybe just an inch or two, it's going to make it a hell of a lot easier to wedge the double mattress in once it's rolled up. These are little pins that I put in here to then make it foldable and into a double bed whenever I need it. Just need to try and get this slotted in perfect now. That's 3, and that is the bed in. The only thing missing now is this leg, which we need to reattach today. Another thing we need to get done today as well is drill some holes in here just to get some ventilation through the wood. One of the things I've noticed, and a couple of things that you guys have mentioned on Facebook and Instagram, and if you've got any other suggestions that you want to suggest to me, leave them in my Instagram. I'll pop it down here, is to get some ventilation holes on the bed base. Right.
Are you going to mark it off where you want the holes?
No.
Sure you don't want to mark it off?
I'm sure.
How many holes do you want?
We'll see how we go.
You sure?
Yeah, go for it. There we go, that's one. Okay. Oh God. Let's check the damage.
Okay.
Yeah, that's not the neatest hole, is it?
Well, you won't see it anyhow.
Okay. Yeah, it's about as bad as the other two, so that's all right.
Do you want me to have a go?
You want to go, didn't you?
Yeah, I want to go.
Yeah, okay. Go on then. Right, now to inspect the work. Let's have a look. Oh shit. That is not the cleanest of jobs. Well, I think that's the best we're going to get. Oh. But it'll do the job.
You pulled the drill off and it went on the floor.
And you've snapped the drill bit. That's the second one we've snapped.
Oh, lovely.
Hang on a minute.
Got a picture of your backside here.
Yeah.
Oh, brilliant, Brendan.
Hang on a minute.
I'm just going to turn it away a second. Hang on. You don't want to put people off, do you? No, no. I've always wanted to be a dentist.
Won't let you anywhere near me. And that is job done. A couple of vent holes. I'll show you the front now. A little bit further back, gives me a little bit more room to play with at the front there. Nicely spaced out. Like it. That'll work just nicely. Not the most professional job, but at the end of the day, it'll do the job. This is probably the cheapest van car conversion that you'll ever find. I think the piece of wood was about 40 quid from B&Q. That's for the whole piece of wood, by the way. We actually cut the middle of it at B&Q and then trim the rest of it to the contours of the car with a jigsaw. Hinges were a couple of quid. The legs, I think, were about a £5. This is why I chose the hinge design. So, lift it up there, put it across like so, pull out the seat. Voila. Then you can get in the back and you've got a seating position to cook on. A double memory foam mattress topper. It's about 7 centimeters thick. Once you're actually on the bed, it's extremely comfortable. It doesn't even feel like on a top. It feels like on a proper double mattress. Let me get my shoes off and I'll get inside. And there we are. Bar the window covers, this is the car in bed mode. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave it a like. Drop me a comment below. Tell me what you think. Is there any tips you've got possibly, or are you thinking of doing some car camping and would like some tips from me maybe? I'm not a professional by no means. I would definitely call myself a enthusiastic amateur. So have a fantastic day and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.